Hey, what is up, everybody? It's Austin, and today, well, it's going to be the start of the next step on the RamCharger project. Isn't she looking pretty underneath the carport? A lot better than sitting up there with the Kia. The Kia, promise, we're getting to it. Just need more time. Don't get enough time in the day to do enough stuff, so always doing something. I need the sun to start coming out sooner, or staying out longer during the spring and summertime, so that I can actually work on stuff after work in the sunlight. And, you know, even though I have the lights, the viewing experience just isn't that good, so that's what we're dealing with. I'm waiting for a little bit more sunlight. But let me show you what we got for the RamCharger. So walking back here, it's nice out. Hey, this is like the best day this winter we've had. All right, look at that. We got a whole bunch of stuff going on back here. You guys know about the kill mat. You guys know about the Dodge Dart seats. Now, I don't know if this video is out yet, but we got us one of these center consoles. This piece right here, I know it's supposed to be butted up to the dashboard of a Ford F-150 Lariat, or actually it was just the Lariat on those. It is missing its lid or armrest, whatever you want to call it. It is cheaper for me to buy this from the junkyard and then spend like $60 on a lid, because I'd mentioned it in that video. Again, don't know if it's out yet or not, but buying this on eBay is $250 to $400, I believe, just for the center console, with the lid and everything. The full center console does not include the rubber pieces that go in here, and it does not include the rubber pieces that go up there. I do have one out of the four, so that's what we're dealing with here. So that needs to be cleaned up. We're going to build a block off plate for this. We're going to probably use that MDF subwoofer box stuff. I'm fairly certain it's called MDF. I could be wrong, but that's what we're going to do there. You know, trim some of this back and make it look nice and fancy. It should fit perfectly up there, just like it is in between these seats. Should fit perfectly with the armrest. It's going to be really comfortable. We got our microfibres. Those are going to help out when it comes to cleaning everything underneath the carpet, so we can lay down the kill mat. We do have our riv nut tool. Again, you guys saw this in the Christmas present video. So we're going to be using that to go in these holes here to be our new side plates, because we're going to be building new side plates for this. And the carpet, that's the next thing that we're going to be dealing with, the carpet. ACC, not sponsored. What is this? Auto Custom Carpets, okay. So let's tip that back. It's my first time opening it. I know what color it is, but do you guys know what color it is? Let's see. I'm not going to be able to work on it anyway today, but got ourselves some nice black carpet. I was not expecting it to have any of this sound deadening on the bottom of it, but our nice new black carpet. Oh, that feels nice. This is going to accent the interior. We're going to be doing a 50-50 black and tan. No, that's not referencing anything, but we're doing a 50-50 black and tan interior. That's why I went with a black center console. Again, really awesome find at the junkyard. The carpet's going to be going to black. The seats obviously are going to black. I don't know if we're going to hold on to the rear seat or not. It's in good shape. We may be able to sell it, but I don't plan on having more than 2 people in this vehicle at a time. The build for this vehicle is not aimed towards a restoration. It is more aimed towards, well, we're just gonna have to wait for you guys, or wait for that to tell you guys what's going on with this build. But it's not gonna be your just average everyday RamCharger. That's not the idea of it. So coming in here, again, we're gonna have black carpet, black seats, black center console, tan dashboard. We're not touching the dash. Everything's gonna stay perfectly tan up here. The doors are gonna be tan. They're gonna stay tan. Those door cards are sitting over there on a toolbox somewhere. And then the, how we mentioned the side pieces, they're going to be right back in here. Those will be black. Actually, yes, those will be black. And then the trim that goes around the top and the headliner are going to be tan. Now, the headliner is something that is going to have to wait. It's a little bit more of an expensive item. Surprisingly, you have to buy them separately, both the front and the rear. So, yeah, that's like another $600. Yay. Okay, I over-exaggerate. It's like $450 after tax or something like that. Actually, might have been closer to $600, like I'd mentioned, because one of them's $160 and the other one's like $275. Quick math, that's 400 something, I think. I don't know. I only did calculus like 3 times. Only passed it once. The hatch up here, as you can see, it already has like a black finish to it. I do plan on putting a finishing board here, just like I plan on doing with the side. I have seen some people have modified this back piece to have like a quick release from the inside. That'd be really cool to do here. But yeah, we're going to be going from a 5-seater to a 2-seater and a black and tan interior. The paint on this, I don't know if it's going to happen this year. Again, it is all dependent on budget, but I think an F8 green, de-trimming the whole thing, okay? De-trimming the whole thing, so taking the trim pieces off, cutting the little nubbies off for the trim, selling the trim, making a little bit of money, and then the F8 green. So if you guys know what the F8 green is, that's what we're going to be going with. For those of you that don't, a lot of the new Dodge Chargers and Challengers have that F8 green. I think it would look really awesome on here. I wish I could find someone to do renders. But, yeah, I think that would be really nice with the little black accent stripe down at the bottom, or two-tone, or whatever you want to call it. Obviously, all of that's going to have to wait until after we get our rust figured out, cut out, and cleaned up. That I was going to see if we could talk with Santa, Michael over at Santa's workshop, to get that stuff figured out. But again, he's got a whole bunch of projects going on. So, primarily the first thing to do is to get the interior swap done, buttoned up and everything like that. Get her on the road and registered. And then, yeah, then we'll be able to enjoy our project a little bit more. Now, probably by that time, gas is probably going to be like $75 a gallon, 3 months from now. No, I'm just kidding. Probably be like, I think we're sitting at almost 3 right now. Maybe a little less, like 2.7. I think it was 2.77 I filled up today. So we'll probably be looking at like $3 a gallon. This is a 35-gallon tank, so it'll be over $100. I'm not looking forward to that at all. But hey, it's going to be a fun one, guys. And it'll be nice and quiet after we add the kill mat in there. I'm looking forward to that. 3 boxes here. This is not enough. From what I've been told, it takes 3.5 of these boxes to do everything. In here, underneath the seats, headliner, headrest, headliner, the floor, back behind here. The doors don't really need it, actually. These are original doors. They have some deadening in them already. Majority of our noise from these doors are coming from the tracks not being really good, the weather stripping not being good. That's where we're getting a lot of our, like the glass shaking in there. I don't know if you heard that. But engine-wise, she's doing great. Starts up and runs. Maybe after 10 seconds of having the starter on, which, I would think pretty decent. Not too bad. But, yeah. So we're looking forward to for this year. I know that this video is more just talking, but I wanted to give you guys an idea of what the beginning of this year is going to look like. Obviously, the interior swap on the RamCharger. We got some stuff going on with the Kia. Again, we just need a little bit more daylight to do stuff after work so we can just squeeze it in and record. But yeah, we need the sun to stay up longer. Sun, please stay up longer. I would appreciate it. It can't hear me, I don't think, but I do want to say I'm super excited for the new carpet, super excited for the new seats to go in. It may take a little bit of fabrication, but I think it's going to be really nice. These seats have a lot of cushion on them, really decent side bolstering, and you know what, now I'm just rambling. With all of that said, tell me what you guys think about the build idea down below, and let me know what you guys think. I mean, tell me about it. I want to know. Do you guys think the black and tan will be really cool with that F8 green? I think it will. But yeah, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, comment down below as well, and I'll see you all in the next one.